Hey guys, Dimitri the God here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Rubik's Cube collection. So I have around 18 Rubik's Cubes, but I cannot find one of my 2x2s, so that's a big bummer. But yeah, so we're going to go from 2x2 up to as high as I go. Then WCA, and then non-WCA is what I have. So for the first Rubik's Cube, I'm going to quickly just put this down. For the first Rubik's Cube, I have a QIYI, I believe it's how you pronounce it. It is a QIYI 2x2. I'm just gonna call it that. But I did peel off the stickers; they're all right here. And I am currently trying to mod it as my first mod ever. I have taken it apart 3 times, so I can do some stuff on the inside, and then I'm gonna also mod the shape of it, try to make it into a spherical type thing. Hope that goes well. So yeah, for the first cube, it is a QIYI 2x2. So the ones I'm done, I'm just gonna set them over right here. So next up is my 3x3 main. It is again a QIYI 2x3. It's really good. It pretty much does double flicks, as you can see right there. I love this cube. I don't know why, I just do. It's really cool. The shades on it are amazing. That's all I gotta say for it. There's the checker. But yeah, so there's one of my 3x3s. Then this used to be my original name. It is a GAN R. I might be getting a GAN X. The reason why I got a new one is because the piece just pops out. But nonetheless, it's a very quiet cube. So I guess let me put it against the mic and so you guys can hear. And then for my main, it's definitely way louder, but I don't really mind how loud it is, apart from whenever I'm using it in school. Then I have my first ever 3x3. I lost a piece on it. I have not done any modifications on it yet, or I might just leave it the way it is. Apart from one thing is I did take a sand grinder, 120 grit, and I just sanded down the grain side. I don't know if it made it better, but it definitely changed the shade of it, and yeah. So yeah, so if you guys hear some background noises, those are my sisters. And we're moving straight along to my 4x4. Again, it is a QIYI 4x4. It's a decent 4x4. I do know how to solve a 4x4. It's just there's literally 2 more algorithms that you learn, which are parodies. But yeah, so there's the 4x4. Sorry for those. Then straight along, again, you can actually, here's the logo. Focus. Yeah, it is I like this 5x5 because it's got you can see the 3x3 in it, and it's really smooth. Really smooth. It does tend to lock up sometimes, but yeah, so 5x5. And now my Megaminx. I have 2 of the exact same Megaminxes, I think. Yep, literally the absolute exact same Megaminxes. So I have 2 of those. Here's the logo right there. I usually take off the stickers because I don't really like logos, just like I did on this one. So yeah, 2 Megaminxes. And then I have PMix. I wouldn't say I am the best at PMix, but I would say I'm decent at least. Then we have Cube. There's one little problem with my Cube, is that some of the pieces do tend to pop out like this. So I will have to somehow get that fixed. But for now, it's just a little bug. But yeah, so there's Cube. So I believe those are all of the WCA puzzles, and comment down below if I'm wrong or anything. Then we have 3x3 mirror. It's the absolute exact same as a 3x3. It's got the 3x3 by 3 as the exact same as 3x3 by 3. But some people might say, why did you get this? Because the shapes are not different, and whenever you turn aside, it's not necessarily the same, and it shape shifts. Unlike this, because all I did was I turned the top layer like this, and then move this down, and this is what it looks like right here. This is the exact freaking same thing, just without color. And I have seen, I don't know if these are rare, that this being in color, the original. So yeah, 3x3 mirror. Then we have a 2x2 mirror. It is really smooth. Unlike my 3x3 mirror, it's really tight. So I will have to loosen it up. But unlike this one's really nice. So yeah, 2x2 mirror. Then we have the Fisher's Cube. And with that, I also have a windmill cube. Some people say they're the exact same thing. No, they're not. Because look at the faces. And then look at these. And if you were to do the checkerboard on this one, so we turn this twice, this twice, this twice, this twice, and this twice, you get why it's called the windmill cube. But if you do it on this one, so 1, 2, 1, 2, right? And we do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. It's not really a checkerboard pattern, but only on the top. On the side, it's nowhere near like a checkerboard pattern. So, and they solve pretty much the exact same as, they solve the exact same as they both solve the exact same pretty much. It's just, this one, it's got more parodies than this one. So yeah, Fisher and windmill. Moving swiftly along, we have the Dino Cube. It is pretty much exactly like a cube. It's only instead of 4, it's got 2. It turns pretty much the exact same. I personally like the Dino Cube a lot better than the cube, but they're pretty much the exact same thing. Then we have a Ready Cube. Again, very easy. It's easy. Well, it's pretty easy because you turn this, and yeah, it's like a cube kind of in a way, but yeah. So there's that. Then we have a 3x3 Master Morphix. It is pretty much the absolute exact same as a 3x3, just into a shape mod. So, a way you can think of it is that this is your center right here. And for your cross, it is these pieces right here. And then for your corners, it's these pieces. So, and then checkerboard pattern is, it's like the Fisher Cube kind of. Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much like the Fisher Cube. I don't know. Oh, there we go. So there's a checkerboard on the Master Morphix. And then we get the Fisher's Cube. And we just go ahead and checkerboard. You can kind of see that like they're kind of the exact same thing, apart from the tops and the bottoms. So yeah, comment down below if you guys ever want to see a how to solve a 3x3, and then I'll do 2x2 if I can find my 2x2, which I probably will by that time. So we'll just solve that, and then I'm gonna move my camera stuff. So one more is a really broken fidget spinner cube. Extremely broken. I'm missing a piece, and when all the sides will get really loose sometimes. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, comment down below. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like. There will be a poll just right up about there, right there. To a poll where you guys ask, or I ask you guys if you guys want to learn how to solve a 3x3, and then in that video I asked how to solve a colored 2x2 this time. And then 4x4, and if you can solve the 3x3, you can definitely solve this apart from the last layer, which is a little confusing. But yeah, I'm stalling. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and if you guys are still to the point of this video, 11 minutes, 5 seconds, I believe, then put a blue heart in the comments. That will show me that you guys have watched all the way to the end. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.